So hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. As you can see, today I'm back with another Swarovski haul. I have recently posted a video about my Swarovski earrings, and now again I did another shopping, and I'm gonna share with you what I bought. So if you like this type of videos, stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe and share as well. So we'll start with the first thing that I got. And it's like this bracelet. It's a blue color bracelet with crystals. The bracelet is fabric, is not leather. So I got this everyday bracelet made of crystals. It's blue and it's something you can wear on a daily basis. It's very nice and chic, and it's very easy to wear and match with anything you wear. I think this was on sale. It was like 275 riyals, around that, and it's still on sale now. So I like the blue color. They have gray, black, green, white, a lot of colors, but my favorite was the blue, and I cannot wait to wear it. So as you all know, Swarovski is one of the stores which started selling online lately because of whatever is happening, and I must say that their shipping is very good, especially in Doha, Qatar. This is my second order with Swarovski, and I got my shopping the next day evening. Like if I did order in the afternoon or even late in the evening, they would deliver it the next day immediately. It's my second one were again earrings. Those earrings were very nice and fine. There are three types of them. There is like the white gold and the yellow gold, but they were bigger than this one. This one is a rose gold and black crystals. They're very fine, they're very nice in the ears. They're small, not big, and they just, you know, add something classy to what you wear. So these were the earrings, and I love them so much. These, I'm not sure how much they were, but they were also on sale. There is a lot of sale going on in Swarovski, so if you like it, it's an opportunity for you to shop from them. And the third item, you already know I got the earrings from the same collection. It's actually the shell collection, and I love the bracelet. It's very nice. It's very, again, classy and fine. You know, it's like when I say classy and fine, it's not that type of bulky bracelets. It's just, you know, adds a nice touch to your wrist without, you know, making you feel that you're wearing something bulky. So this bracelet is adjustable. You can pull up or down to make it small or thin. It's good quality one. It doesn't break easily, and I'm very happy that I got this one. And this was my third item. I wanted to include this also in the Swarovski haul, but these are a different brand. These are real gold and diamond. The store is called Damas Jewellery, and it's Emirati store, which you can find in the whole Middle East area, and also I've seen it in Maldives. I'm not sure about other places, but you can also shop from this store online. And they have very nice jewelry collection. They also bring high-end brand collection. Also they have normal jewelry which is not branded, but they're all gold and diamonds, or you can also find only gold. So I bought these for my mom and they were 50% discount. For the discount, usually when you go into Damas, they give you up to 20% discount, but sometimes if you're lucky, in that day they had 50%. So I bought 2 earrings for my mother. This is the first one. It's like leaf earring. This is inverted. I'm gonna show you in a while how it looks like. They're very fine and pretty, and they're like small hoops like this. I hope you can see them clearly. And this is how they are. Very easy to wear. And these were the first earrings. They were, I think, less than 1,000 riyal. That is maybe around, not sure, $300 around. And these are the second one. These are also small hoops but different design. They're both with diamonds, small diamonds inside. This looks like a belt, and it's exactly the same closure as the other one. They're very fine to wear every day, and the brand is very nice. I have been buying in the past from them a lot of items, but as I have told you, I stopped buying real gold and diamond because I lose them easily, or even crazier, I sell them. I don't know why. So these are the 2 items I got from Damas. I'll put the link in the description box for the store because I cannot find these online, and then you can check it out, maybe you like it. So this is, I hope you guys like this video, short one, and let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Until our next video, take care, bye bye.